In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label X and Y axes in Google Sheets on desktop. Clear axis titles make your charts easier to read and understand, especially when you're sharing data with teammates or presenting results. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the settings and how to format your titles so your chart looks polished and professional. Start by opening your Google Sheet and clicking the chart you want to edit. When the chart is selected, you'll see a border around it, which means you're ready to make changes. This ensures that any options you open apply to the right chart. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the chart. Click those three dots and choose Edit Chart. This opens the Chart Editor panel on the right side of your screen, where you'll make all the adjustments. In the Chart Editor, switch to the Customize tab. This tab is all about how your chart looks, including colors, fonts, and titles. It's where you'll find the controls specifically for axis labels. Open the section called Chart and Axis Titles. This area contains settings for the overall chart title and, importantly, the horizontal and vertical axis titles. We'll focus on the axis titles to clearly label what your X and Y axes represent. First, select Horizontal Axis Title to label the X-axis. In the text field that appears, type the title you want. Aim for clarity and brevity so viewers can instantly understand what the data along the bottom axis represents. If it helps, include units in parentheses, like time, seconds, or date, MMDD. Now, select Vertical Axis Title to label the Y-axis and type your desired title. Again, keep it clear and consistent. If your values are counts, percentages, currency, or measurements, say so directly, for example, revenue, or conversion rate, percent. Consistent capitalization and simple wording go a long way toward readability. Finally, adjust font, size, and formatting as needed. In the same panel, you can choose a font style, increase or decrease the size, and use bold or color to make the titles stand out. Pick sizes that are large enough to read without overpowering the chart. For color, ensure there's good contrast against your chart background. As you make changes, you'll see the chart update in real time, so you can fine-tune until it looks right. And that's how you label X and Y axes in Google Sheets on desktop. Open your chart, choose Edit Chart, go to Customize, use Chart and Axis Titles, add clear titles for both axes, and adjust formatting to finish strong.